Very good morning to all. In this video, we'll see financial leverage. Now we'll see the meaning of financial leverage. Financing is an important matter in every business, and as a general rule, there should be a proper mix of debt and equity capital, and the use of long-term interest or fixed dividend bearing securities such as debt and preference share capital along with this equity capital is called as financial leverage. The financial leverage is employed by a company to earn more on the fixed charges funds than their cost. In the capital structure of the company, if the use of fixed charges like fixed interest and fixed dividend bearing securities is greater than the equity share capital of the company, the leverage is said to be larger. On the other hand, if the equity share capital is greater than the fixed charges bearing securities is used, the leverage is said to be smaller. Now we'll see the definition of financial leverage as ability of a firm to use fixed financial charges to magnify the effect of changes in EBIT on the firm's earning per share. That is, the financial leverage provides the potential of increasing the shareholders' earnings. Before we go into the problem, we'll see the format of profitability statement. Here first we'll start with the sales, and from that we have to subtract the variable cost. Variable cost is nothing but it varies according to the sales and will arrive at contribution, and from that we have to subtract the fixed cost. This fixed cost will remains the same. Okay, it does not change according to the sales and will arrive EBIT, and after that we have to subtract the interest. This interest is on debentures or on loan borrowed. Okay, and will get EBT, and from that tax is to be subtracted and will get earnings available for equity shareholder, and the formula for EPS already you know, and this is earnings available for equity shareholders divided by number of equity shares, and this is the format for this profitability statement. Now we'll see the formula used in this financial leverage. Financial leverage is equal to EBIT divided by EBT. EBIT you know, that is earnings before interest and tax, and using that profitability statement we can find this EBIT, or else if the EBIT is given in the problem we can take that, and EBT is nothing but earning before tax, that is EBIT minus interest is EBT. Okay, and the next formula is degree of financial leverage. This is percentage change in EPS divided by percentage change in sales. Now we'll see one problem in this financial leverage. Yes, here is the problem. Calculate operating and financial leverages from the following particulars. Units sold 5,000, selling price per unit rupees 30, variable cost per unit rupees 20, EBIT rupees 30,000. 10% public debt rupees 1 lakh. Okay, now we'll start doing the problem. Yes, first we have to write the sales. Here the units sold is 5,000 units and the rate per unit is 30. So 5,000 into 30 will get 1,50,000. The next step, variable cost, we have to subtract 5,000 units into 20 per unit is the variable cost. So we'll get 1 lakh. So if we subtract this 1,50,000 minus this 1 lakh, we'll get 50,000. This is the contribution. And the next step is we have to subtract the fixed cost from this contribution. Okay, here the fixed cost is not given. Instead of that, they have given us the EBIT. So we'll write that EBIT is 30,000 and contribution is 50,000. We can work out in the reverse way. So EBIT should be subtracted from contribution so that we'll get the fixed cost, So 50,000 minus EBIT 30,000 will get 20,000 fixed cost. Okay. And the next step, we have to find the interest here. Interest we have to calculate in this 1 lakh. That is the public debt and the rate of interest is 10%. So 1 lakh into 10% is 10,000. Okay. Now we'll get EBT, that is 30,000 minus 10,000. 20,000 is the EBT. And the next step, we have to find out the operating leverage. The formula for that is contribution divided by EBIT. Here the contribution is 50,000 and divided by EBIT is 30,000. So 1.667 times. Okay, the operating leverage is 1.667 times. And the next formula is financial leverage. Formula for that, EBIT divided by EBT. EBIT is 30,000. EBT is 20,000. So 30,000 divided by 20,000 will get 1.5 times. Okay. This is the financial leverage. Okay. We learned operating leverage in the previous video. And in this video, we learned financial leverage. I hope now you understand both operating leverage and financial leverage. Thank you for your patient listening.